Reasons for using the white oak test kit is to be able to tell the difference between flooring. This kit will tell you if it is or isn't white oak. Any other wood won't show. This will only tell you if it's white oak. The way to use this product is get some wood shavings. The best area to find the wood shavings would be beside a heat register or at the end of the floor, someplace where you're not cutting into the wood if you're doing the test prior to the job. If you have the job, you could do the test anywhere on the floor. You would get wood shavings. Directions for using it come in the kit. You would take a boat, we call them boats or little trays, and place it on the floor, put the wood shavings in it, and follow the steps. You would take bottle A, and which is the blue bottle A, and moisten the wood shavings that you got from the floor. Then after they're fully moistened, you would take the same amount of bottle B and moisten them with that. And then within 3 to 5 minutes, the wood will change color. If it starts to turn black, it's white oak. If it doesn't turn black, it's some other species, not white oak. Generally, the reason this is just used for a white oak, in a lot of cases, floors used to be done with a red or a white oak flooring, the majority of floors. So this will tell you whether you have a red or a white oak, even if it's got finish on it.